Welcome to Just Free Hands, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we'll dive into the importance of adding basil to your garden and especially to aquaponics grow beds. Basil is a versatile herb that offers numerous benefits beyond just being a flavorful addition to meals. So, here are 5 great uses of basil and why you must have it in your garden. Number 1. Culinary uses. Basil is a staple in many cuisines, especially Italian, Thai, and Mediterranean. Basil enhances the flavor of dishes like pasta, pesto, soups, and salads. Fresh basil has a more intense aroma and taste than dried versions. Ladies and gentlemen, the second reason as to why you must have this in your grow bed or in your garden is because basil has natural medicine and health benefits. Basil is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It supports digestion, reduces stress, and boosts immunity. Tulsi, which is holy basil, is widely used for treating colds and respiratory issues. Now you see why it's very important, right? Moving on to the third reason as to why you should add this into your grow bed or your garden or your farm is because basil is a natural pest repellent. Let me tell you about it. The strong scent of basil repels common garden pests like mosquitoes, aphids, and whiteflies. Planting basil alongside tomatoes and peppers can protect them from harmful insects as well. Number 4. Homemade herbal remedies. Basil tea can help with digestion and relieve headaches. Basil infused oils and balms are great for soothing skin irritations and minor wounds. Chewing fresh basil leaves can freshen breath and promote oral health. There you go. And ladies and gentlemen, our 5th and final reason for having basil in your grow bed, or the importance of having basil in your grow bed, is because of its aromatherapy and stress relief. We kind of mentioned that a little bit, but we're going to a little bit deeper here. So, the fresh, uplifting aroma of basil can reduce stress and mental fatigue. Basil essential oil is used in diffusers for relaxation and mental clarity. And also, a basil plant in your home or garden naturally improves air quality. There you go. Now, you should without hesitation choose to grow basil in your garden. Why? Because first of all, it's easy to grow. It thrives in small spaces, pots, or aquaponic systems. Basil also has a year-round harvest. With proper care, you can grow basil indoors even in winter. Basil is very low maintenance. It requires minimal watering and care. And last, basil is sustainable and organic. Homegrown basil ensures you have fresh, pesticide-free herbs. Would you like tips on how to grow basil successfully? Well, then subscribe to the channel and follow along to see my updates on the basil plants we have in the garden and other varieties we currently have at our 300 square foot garden. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.